Good morning, children. This video is for class 3 students and the subject is computer. After the first terminal examination, uh, we are meeting here again in this online classes, and now we have to focus on our this second terminal examination. So let's start with next chapter, that is the chapter number 4, and the name of this chapter is internet. So in this chapter we have to learn about the internet. I know all of you are aware with this word internet, and I hope that all of you are using the internet in your mobile phones. So nowadays this internet is very popular, very helpful and very useful in our day-to-day life. So let's start with this chapter. What is an internet and what are the advantages, what are the main things we have to learn in this chapter. Let's see that. So first of all, you just open your book, page number 27. This is your page number 27, lesson number 4. Children, how do your parents travel to different places? All of you know that we are using different type of vehicles or different means of transport for traveling one place to another place according to the distance of that particular place. It must be by car, train or by an aeroplane. The network of roadways or railways enables goods and people to travel from one place to another place. So we are using car, train, aeroplane, bike, cycle according to the distance of the place for traveling one place to another place. So the network of roadways or railways enables goods and peoples to travel from one place to another. You can say that the network of railways or roadways play an important role. It brings people of different places and region near to each other. So these roads and railways networks are useful for traveling one place to another place, and it is very useful in our day-to-day life. It brings the people of different places and regions near to each other. Now let's start this next paragraph. It is given here in page number 27. It leads to an easy accessibility of remote places and establish fast communication between people connected to that network, thus help in making our country as one. Now we are it is not possible for us for every day for traveling one place to another place to meeting someone. So nowadays we are using a network for communicating each other, our friends and our relatives, and this type of network, it helps to connect one people to another people in all over India or all over the world, or these type of networks are called internet. Network, what is network and what do you mean by network? It is given here. Network signifies interconnection of places, peoples or things who share different types of resources among themselves. So first of all, you just take out your pencil and underline this definition of network from here. Network signifies interconnection of places, peoples or things who share different types of resources among themselves. This is the definition of network. In communication and information technology, such type of network plays a very important role. Nowadays information technology are very fast. We are using internet, mobiles, email. By using the email we can transfer our data from one place to another place. We can chat with our friends or relatives, those who are sitting in all over the world. So these all are happening with this information technology. So in communication and information technology, such type of network plays a very important role. When different computers are connected to each other, they are said to be on a network. This is also important, so just take up your pencil and underline this line. When different computers are connected to each other, they are said to be on a network. Similarly, when computers around the world are connected to each other, they are said to be on internet. So this is the definition of an internet. When computers around the world are connected to each other, they are said to be on internet. Also underline this line. These are the different important definitions which you have to learn in this chapter. First one, I have told you the definition of this network. Network signifies, what do you mean by network? Network signifies interconnection of places, people or things who share different types of resources among themselves. The next one is, when different computers are connected to each other, they are said to be on a network. The another definition is, what do we mean by an internet? When computers around the world are connected to each other, they are said to be on internet. Now we are moving to the next page, that is page number 28. So turn your page number 28. Let's see what is given here. Internet is a wide area network which connects millions of computers across the world. So here we have to learn about the internet. This chapter is already based on the topic internet. So what is an internet? Internet is a wide area network which connects millions of computers across the world. Again you have to underline this line. This is also important. This is also the another definition of an internet. Internet is a wide area network which connects millions of computers across the world. Computers connected to the internet can access information from one computers that are also connected to the internet. When more than one computers are connected with each other and they can transfer their information or data among themselves, these are called the wide area of network, and that is the internet. That are also connected to the internet. Internet can be said as an express way of information. This is also an important word. What is express way of information? That is, internet can be said as an express way of information. Internet has great features. Now we have to learn about the different features of an internet. Internet has great features. It plays a significant role in different fields. All these fields are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 fields we have to learn the significance of internet. First one is communication. Second one is entertainment. Third one is information, and fourth one is business. First, let's talk about this communication. What is communication and what are the different area of this field? In communication, we are using email. By email, we can chat with our friends or relatives. The another one, we can send messages to our friends, relatives. Another one is chatting. We can also share our talk. We can talk with our friends or relative. This is called chatting by using an internet. The next one is social media. In social media, internet is also very useful. Next one is entertainment. In this field, first one, we can watch different types of movies by using an internet. Next one is online games. We can play online games and we can also download the different type of games. Next one is music. Internet is also useful for playing the music, listening the music. Next one is information. In this field, knowledge, we can get different variety of knowledge from the internet. By using the internet, we can get so many knowledge. Next, road map. If you want to travel one place to another place and you don't know the way how you have to go and where you have to go, we can use this road map by using an internet to reach that particular place. The next field is business. In this field also internet is very useful. First, online shopping. Now online shopping is very famous and very popular. I think that all of you are doing online shopping, and this online shopping could be happen with the help of internet. Next one is advertising. Advertisement part is also done with the help of internet. They are different products are using internet for advertise their things. The last one is e-commerce. So e-commerce, it is also a business purpose, and business it also comes under this business field. And in e-commerce, we can say that we can transferring money in our bank, online transferring, online payment, all these things are comes under this e-commerce. So these are the different fields where internet is very useful. Now for today, I'm going to end the class. I'm going to stop the close the topic here, and in next class I'm going to deal all these fields briefly. What are the different type of field is given here. We are going to discuss on these 1, 2, 3 and 4 fields briefly in next class. So thank you and have a nice day.